Hello everyone, Tom from KJP taking a look at Iroko or African teak, specifically the 1/4 inch thins. These thins will be 24 inches long, 3 inches wide and 1/4 of an inch thick. African teak is a very good wood if you're using a project that you've made in a more high moisture environment. It actually has the same qualities as a genuine Burmese teak, but Burmese teak is extremely difficult to get hold of, very, very expensive. So this is a good value alternative to genuine Burmese teak. It is a fairly soft wood, it's fairly light, it's not too demanding of your tools, so as an introduction to exotic woods, I highly recommend trying this. It's lovely wood. It has a very golden yellow color, and that kind of varies to a more brown golden color. So both of these colors are very indicative of African teak. So again, lovely wood if you're looking for something for a high moisture environment, and if you're new to exotics, I highly recommend you try it out. More information will be found on our website, and once again, of course, thank you very much for watching, and I do hope you enjoy your woodworking.